Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to go from these to these. You just got the light open just by using this heat right here, this torch. Just hit it up around and start stretching it. Hit it up, start stretching it, and you open it within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So now we're gonna open that up and we're gonna put a strip of LED inside the factory LED because that one halfway was not working. Telling you about, you remove the cover off, little cover, and then you slide the tubes out. The tubes are solid plastic, so this thing, you put a light right on the end and it shine all the way through. So those are the tubes we're taking out to modify this to do another conversion. Testing. Two. Make sure you don't get the switchback. Make sure you get the one with 2 wires only. 24-inch long. So once we open the headlights out, this is what we're taking out. We're taking out the 2 little tubes that they have in there. It's a solid plastic. And then we're gonna take out one of the LED and one of the tube guides. We don't need. This is off the other headlight, so this is gonna be trash. So you take that out and you leave it out. So now we're gonna open this, and the way we're gonna open it, we're just gonna hit it up. We're just gonna hit it up with a torch. First, we're gonna make sure we take all the little screws in the back. There should be 4 screws. See this one there, 2, 3, and one up here, 4. And then we proceed heating it up along the glue. Okay. So that's the finished product. Both sides. So let me tell you about this. This is what's inside the headlight, the DRL thing for the LED. So it'd be better if you get this out. Don't run your power through this, because this is not strong enough to run your power. And then you do your connection to the blue wire that connects to the headlight, not the red one, the blue one.